Welcome back to another fantastic episode of Joe Sent Me. Today, I've got something brand new from our friends at S1CK, and it is a brand new perfume that's designed for her called Eden. And let's take a look at the presentation, and you'll see it right here. We have a card from the owner, which is this guy right here, Johnny, and down there in the middle. Of course, he's always got some pretty ladies with him. And then this is the perfume here with the notes and, of course, a little bit of the brief right there. Now, most of his perfumes feature pheromones. And the reason why this one is specifically for her is because this actually features pheromones designed for her to attract him. And I'm very excited about this. He's been talking about this one for a while, teasing this with me, telling me about this being a gourmand. I have not smelled it. I'm smelling it for the first time. That's why this is a first impression. Bottle looks great. It reminds me of the other bottles that he's come out with. This is the look that he's kind of keeping with all this series. And it is Eden. The juice color looked great. And cap is nice and tight. Holy cow, I pulled the ring off. That's how tight it is. So that's good. That's a good problem to have, trust me. So anyway, let's go. Let's smell this. And of course, I've got my notes here so I can talk about it. Now, even though this is designed for ladies to attract men, I will say that the scent profile can belong to anybody that wants to wear this scent profile. So let's smell it here. I like what I'm smelling. I have to tell you, I really do like what I'm smelling. Bergamot, matcha tea, sweet cream, juniper berries, blackcurrant, cardamom, star anise, rum, pear, jasmine, vanilla bean, vetiver, cashmere, musk, cedar, and tonka. So lots of great notes. And again, these are notes that I would wear. Everything about this perfume smells something like something I would want to wear. So it is a fantastic smelling perfume, without a doubt. And yeah, I highly recommend this one. This is a really good one. And yeah, let me know what you think. If you've tried this one, have you tried this one? And if you haven't already, check it out. It's available at S1CKshop.com, and I'll also tag them in this video and also include their link in the bio information page. Everything will be there. But yeah, this is a great release. I think it's totally unisex smelling. However, again, the intentions of pheromones that are designed for her to attract him, that's the only thing that would make you ladies want to wear this one over men wanting to wear this. Again, check it out, and we'll see you again in another video. Take care.